Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. Today, we are going to learn something very important. We are going to learn when to use did and when to use was or were. Many English learners mix these up, but after today's lesson, you will know exactly when to use each one. Before we start, here is today's question. Your friend asks you, "Where were you last night?" How do you answer? Do you say, "I was at home" or "I did at home"? Write your answer in the comments. The answer is in today's conversation. Let's begin. Good morning, David. How was your weekend?
It was really good, Sarah. I was at my cousin's house on Saturday.
Oh, nice. What did you do there?
We did a lot of fun things. We played games, we watched movies, and we ate a lot of food.
That sounds great. Were you tired on Sunday?
Yes, I was very tired. I was in bed until noon.
I was tired too. I did a lot of cleaning at home on Sunday.
Did you finish everything?
Yes, I did. The house was so clean after.
Now I understand. Was tells us how something felt or where someone was. And did talks about an action we completed or performed.
Exactly. Let me give you a simple rule. Use was or were to describe a state, a feeling, or a location in the past.
And use did or a past action verb when you talk about something you completed or performed.
Perfect. You already understand it, David. David, I was here at this coffee shop last Friday.
Really? I was here too. What did you order?
I ordered a latte and a sandwich. It was delicious. Were you alone?
No, I was with my friend Mark. We were here for about an hour.
Did you see me?
No, I didn't see you. Where were you sitting?
I was near the window. Did you sit near the door?
Yes, we were at the table near the door.
Okay, let's practice this. I ask you, where were you? You answer with was or were because location is a state.
I was near the door. And if you ask me, what did you do? I answer with a past action verb.
I talked to my friend, I drank coffee, I ordered a sandwich.
These are all actions, so we don't use was here. We use the past form of the action verb.
Very good. Now you try. Tell me, where were you this morning before work?
I was at home. I made breakfast, I drank orange juice, and then I drove to the office.
Perfect. I was at home, location, state, was. I made, I drank, I drove, actions, past action verbs. David, did you come to the supermarket yesterday?
Yes, I did. I was here around 6 o'clock. Were you here too?
No, I wasn't. I was at the gym.
Oh, what did you do at the gym?
I ran on the treadmill. I lifted some weights. I was there for 1 hour.
Was it busy?
Yes, it was very busy. There were a lot of people there.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. I always feel good after exercise. Okay, David, quick question. I say, there were a lot of people. Why did I use were and not was?
Because people is plural. Was is for singular, one person or one thing, and were is for plural, more than one.
Exactly right. I was tired, one person, was. We were tired, two people, were. It was cold, one thing, was. They were cold, more than one, were.
This is getting clearer. Now I know. Was for I, he, she, it. Were for you, we, they.
Perfect summary. David, the park was so beautiful this morning. Were you here?
No, I wasn't here this morning. I was still sleeping. But I did come here in the evening yesterday.
Did you walk or run?
I walked. My legs were tired from work.
I understand. David, let me ask you something.
someone asks, "Did you enjoy the park?" How do you answer yes?
Yes, I did.
Good. And if someone asks, "Were you happy?" How do you answer yes?
Yes, I was. Not yes, I did.
Exactly. This is a very common mistake. Did goes with action questions, was or were goes with state and feeling questions.
Did you eat? Yes, I did. Were you hungry? Yes, I was.
You are learning so fast. Let's try one more situation.
David, I was at my parents' house last weekend. Were you with your family too?
Yes, I was with my family on Sunday. We did a lot of things together.
What did you do?
We cooked a big dinner. My mom was very happy. We watched an old movie together. It was really funny.
That sounds wonderful. Were your brothers there too?
Yes, they were. We were all together for the first time in a long time.
That's so nice. Okay, I want to point something out. In your sentences, you used was for feelings and conditions. My mom was very happy. It was really funny.
And I used action verbs for things we did. We cooked, we watched, we ate.
Perfect. These action verbs don't need did in the positive sentence. Did is used for questions and negatives.
For example, did you cook dinner? Or I didn't cook, my mom cooked.
Exactly. Did and didn't are helpers for questions and negatives. In positive sentences, you just use the past verb directly.
I cooked, not I did cooked. She watched, not she did watched.
This is a very important rule. Remember it. David, were you at this restaurant before?
Yes, I was here last month with my colleague. The food was excellent.
What did you order?
I ordered the pasta. It was amazing. Did you come here before?
No, I didn't. This is my first time. I was a little nervous to try a new place.
Don't worry. Everything here was always good. Did you decide what to order?
Yes, I did. I am going to order the salmon. Were the prices okay last time?
Yes, they were reasonable, not too expensive.
Great. You know, David, let's do a final review right here. Can you use was, were, and did in a few sentences about this restaurant?
Sure. I was here last month. Was, location. The food was excellent. Was, description. We were 2 people. Were, plural. I ordered pasta. Past action verb. No did needed. Did you like it? Did, helper question. Yes, I did. Did, short answer.
That was a perfect summary. You really understand it now. Excellent work today. You learned something very important. Do you remember today's question? Your friend asked, "Where were you last night?" The correct answer is, "I was at home," not "I did at home," because location is a state, not an action. Remember the rules. Was for I, he, she, it, feelings, states, locations in the past. Were for you, we, they, same uses, but plural. Did for action questions and negatives. Did you go? I didn't go. In positive sentences, just use the past action verb directly. I cooked, she walked, they watched. No did needed. Write your answer in the comments and tell me one sentence using was, were, or did. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Simple English Family. See you in the next lesson.